Hi, this is Resilient Ken Lau. I'm the founder of Amazing Excel School, and this is part of a topic that I teach in the Amazing Excel School. Yeah, so how do you use this? Is actually that um, one of my church friend right asked me about this. Right, it said. So there is a list of numbers, which is the clients. And first of all, this list of number is given permission to send information. So you can make use of this, right? Again, right? Don't misuse these tools, right? It's only sending for your trusted friend. You can use this, right? So, and now what you said is that when you click on the last step is actually you click on this, right? It will actually go to the WhatsApp, and then you send the message, high speed Excel, right? So how do you do about that, right? It's just the API here, the number, and the text message, right? So, but there is a few information you want to use. Is that first there is a let's just talk about that. The first question is called encode. The encode URL is a new feature in Excel 365, Office 365. So what it does is that it turns the space right into a HTML equivalent. Is it percentage 20? That is represent a space. So that is encode, yeah. So which means that high speed Excel will become like with the high entry, if high then the space and the spec and the speed Excel. Okay, so now once we done this, right, we want to turn it into we want to change, because the number now is fixed to 6016. So we want the number that is with this. So it should be following this number. So how do we do that? Is that we actually break the parts, the number here, into ampersand and watch this part here. Okay, watch this part carefully. Pause this video, watch this. Once you get it, you move to the next line. So this next line is that we basically combine the hyperlink function with the text here, right? Just put the hyperlink into it. Okay, so then you have then finally here is about the same, right? It's just that here is that we have the text also. We added the word and to hyperlink, right? Yeah, that's about the same, right? This is about the same. So finally we have this. The text also linked to the cell EF3, which is this message here. Okay, so finally when people click on this, it comes to this link, and if you click, then you can go to the link. Yeah, so I hope this is useful to you, and you can put the list of the customer name here and so on, right? So there are a lot of improvement you can do. One of the things is that you can put in the status when you send it, right? And also all these other information. So if you'd like to learn more about Amazing Excel, feel free to click on this link and then go to my school. Yeah, currently I'm the founder Amazing Excel School, and I'm the only teacher in this school, right? Because nobody want to join to teach to the world. Don't know why. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you learned something useful. God bless you. Jesus love you.